So we having girls' night at Chris's house, and we making a charcuterie board. I can't pronounce it.
A charcuterie board.
A charcuterie board.
I got on one, so don't be judging us.
Yeah, it's looking a little struggled, muggle, but I think it'll be cute.
It is struggle, but it's okay.
This is Asia.
It ain't gonna be cute. It ain't gonna be none of that, but we gonna have food.
And here's Chris with the charcuterie board. Charcuterie board.
We gonna have food though. That's all that matters.
Period.
Facts.
That wine need to go in the freezer though.
Oh yeah. Well, I'm about to get the champagne out.
All right, y'all. I'll come back when she done. Let's see how it's gonna turn out. I think it's gonna be cute.
It ain't. I'm letting y'all know it ain't.
It is gonna be cute.
Yes, it is.
It's all in how you lay it out.
I'm not laying it out no kind of way. That's the thing.
Next time we'll forget like fruit, like
Next time
strawberries
we'll make
and
it
grapes.
See.
Roll it
You
up.
should do. Yeah,
Like,
you should have did a line.
I was going to, and then they failed.
You
I
can touch your
washed my hands.
I'm like, your hands is clean.
Yeah, do it.
You wasn't touching your coochie earlier, right?
No, boo.
Okay, you did.
That's Asia personality for you.
Oh shoot! I didn't think it was recording.
There you go.
Shut up.
Or make it into a circle and put the meat in the middle.
No.
No?
I like that. Oh, you could.
This is not. We just doing this to eat, and I just had freaking deja vu.
What?
Me literally telling y'all, how about you make it into a circle?
That's Chris for you.
Why do it matter, y'all?
Cause you want to do the picture.
Yeah, let's make it cute.
Oh my god.
We ain't got nothing else to do.
I still have to cook.
That's fine.
You'll be cooking like 10 minutes, and you'll be like, bomb.
Yeah, you and Asia,
Yeah, you be
y'all
lying,
took
though.
late.
First of all,
Okay.
shut up.
She got it together. I like the little worm you just did. A swiggle line.
It's like a little heart.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna let it watch you do whatever you're doing.
That's it. Boom.
You finished touch. Chris did good. Go, girl. Get out, Nola. Where's
Her
she?
bag.
I ain't doing nothing.
No, she just in her bag.
Don't judge us. We literally just put what we had out there.
It's good. You did good, though.
Baby, I caught a vibe. Baby, are you coming for the ride? I just wanna look into your eyes. I just wanna stay for the night. When we take a drive, maybe we can hit the 4-5. If the time's by all the lights.
So Chris didn't do the charcuterie board right, but she did this right. Hey.
Not the charcuterie board.
Look at the chef, y'all.
Whatever.
This looks fire. Okay, bye.